Ooh, that's a loud one, isn't it? It's pretty thundering out there. It goes boom. Yeah, it does get pretty loud. Don't worry, you're safe with me. You're not, no, nothing's gonna hurt you. Don't worry. It's just thunder. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. And you lay down like that? Oh. Oh. Oh, you want belly rubs? Or something like that. You look so funny like that. Don't worry, nothing's gonna hurt you. Just lightning. That's all it is. Isn't he so cute? By the way, that short that has a lot of views, get it to 1K, and I can do his name. See y'all later. Ooh, that one was real big. It went boom. Ooh. Ugh. Well, that's not very good. I mean, you're still fine. You're still good. It's okay. Is that scaring you? Is that scary? Is it scary? Does it make you feel not good? Don't worry. You're getting very popular online, so if you're brave and this video gets lots of likes and views. Ooh, that's a big that's a big one. Very big booms. But yeah, everybody likes you. It's just a big thunderstorm. It's all good. Well, you're a cute dog, you know that. Very nice dog. You're a very nice dog. Everybody loves you because you're a nice, cute doggo. Everybody wants to see you. So many people like to see you.